The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Tidytex Professional Organizing. Hey, are you determined to finally get organized in 2025? Tidytex Professional Organizing wants to help. Professional organizer Manny Muro is here to tell us more about what they offer. Manny, first of all, can you talk to us a little bit about Tidytex and what it is y'all do?
What we do is help clients create a custom organized system for their home depending on what their lifestyle is. So when we help clients, we help them declutter, deep clean, and organize any space in their home. So it doesn't matter if the job is too big or too small, we're going to help you out with that.
The fact that you can do down to a single room or an entire house is a really big deal. And I'd like to know how you work with clients.
Well, when we work with you, it's a one-on-one process, right? So we can get down to what your needs are and how you function on a day-to-day basis. And the only way we can do that is when I work with you one-on-one to really find out like what it is you like, what you don't like, what that daily routine looks like, so that I can create that custom organized space for you and possibly the whole family.
Not only that, but you take away one of the biggest barriers that people have to getting organized, which is dealing with all the stuff on the back end.
Yeah, so when we're doing that for you, we're decluttering everything. And when we declutter it, we're going to take the things you no longer want and actually donate those things for you so that you're not having to do that. Because that's a big barrier for a lot of people. They forget that, oh my gosh, I'm going to put this aside, I'll do that later. Sometimes later never happens, right? So what we do is we take those things and donate them with one of our many partners.
You also told me you helped a woman set up a Poshmark account, so that's
yeah.
pretty impressive. How should folks know whether or not they need to call in the pros when they're looking at, their own organization and or let's call it what it is, a mess?
Yeah. So if you walk into a space and you walk right out of that space, you might need an organizer, right? Or if you have piles of stuff that you have no idea what to do with, then that's a pretty good indication that you might want to call in some outside help. Or if you're just paralyzed by the pile that you've created over time, right? Because let's face it, sometimes it takes on a life of its own and that could become this ugly monster for you. And so if that's what's happening and you become paralyzed to that action, call in one of us and we'll help you out.
Talk to me a little bit about how long that is and how people can get started.
Yeah, so the free consultation is the best place to start, right? So it's when I can come in and take a look at your spaces, kind of talk to you and get a feel of what exactly is that you're needing and match our systems the way we do things to help you. And it usually takes about 30, 40 minutes. Sometimes we get a little chatty about everything, because I spill out a lot of great ideas about the space. And that's really what it is, right? To give you an idea of what it could be out of what you're telling me that you need. So it's very need-based.
Sounds good to me. And people can get started by?
Going to our website, tidytexorganizing.com.
Sounds good to me, Manny. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Get started with a no judgment free consultation today by going to tidytexorganizing.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Tidytex Professional Organizing.